Customizing your Shopify theme is one of the best ways to make your online store stand out and reflect your brand's personality. To get started, log into your Shopify dashboard and head over to Online Store. In the left sidebar, click on Themes and you'll see your current theme right at the top. From there, click the Customize button, which opens Shopify's powerful theme editor. Inside the editor, you'll find a live preview of your store on the right and a sidebar on the left with all your customization options. You can easily change colors and fonts to match your brand's look and feel. Want to swap out your logo or update your homepage slideshow? Just click on those sections in the sidebar and upload new images or tweak the text. The editor also lets you rearrange homepage sections and add product features or even create custom pages, all without touching any code. As you make edits, the preview updates in real time so you can see exactly how your store will look to visitors. When you are happy with your changes, be sure to hit the save button in the top right corner. If you ever want to try a different look, Shopify makes it easy to install new themes or duplicate your current one before making major edits. If you want a step by step walkthrough on adding apps or using theme code for deeper customization, hit like and follow. Drop your questions below, and I help you level up your store's design.